In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Robinhood Legend. Before we dive in, here's the key idea to keep in mind. There is no separate Legend account. Robinhood Legend is a trading platform experience that lives inside your existing Robinhood account. You don't create a second login, you don't move funds, and you don't open a new portfolio. It's the same login, the same money, and the same investments. Just an upgraded desktop and web experience once it's turned on. If you don't already have a Robinhood account, start by going to robinhood.com and selecting Sign Up. You'll create your investing account by entering your personal information and verifying your identity. Expect to provide standard details and a government-issued ID. This is normal for regulated brokers and helps keep your account secure and compliant. Approval times can vary, so check your email or account dashboard for updates. Make sure the information you enter is accurate and matches your documents to avoid delays. Once your account is approved, log in on a computer. Legend is designed for desktop and web, so using a full browser makes the setup smooth. After you're signed in, navigate to Robinhood Legend. You should see an option to unlock Legend. Click that, then follow the on-screen setup steps. The prompts are straightforward and will walk you through enabling the Legend experience. There's no separate application to submit. Unlocking it here activates it automatically on your approved account. If you already have a Robinhood account and you're approved, the process is even simpler. Just log in on a computer, open the Robinhood Legend section, click Unlock Legend, and complete the brief setup. That's it. You're not creating anything new. You're turning on an enhanced interface within the same brokerage account you use today. To recap the most important point, there is no standalone Legend account. Legend is a desktop and web upgrade that sits inside your current Robinhood setup. You keep your current credentials, your existing cash balance, and your holdings. Think of it as switching on a more advanced workspace rather than opening a new account. Follow these steps at your own pace. Double-check your identity details during sign-up and use a computer for the unlock flow. Once Legend is enabled, you'll be ready to explore the upgraded experience right from your existing Robinhood account.